Hi, today in front of me I have Google Pixel 6a smartphone, and in this video we're going to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. Alrighty, so if we'll go to the settings and enter the display category and expand the available values for the screen timeout, we'll realize that the maximum time stamp that we can set by the default means of the system is 30 minutes. Thereby, in order for us to be able to set it to never, we are going to use the free Google Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's go ahead and download it. Alrighty, now we can launch it. And here all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and that will essentially mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in an idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.